Hello guys, today I'll show you how to contribute to the Alith, and this is the Alith repository GitHub / 0x LazAI / Alith. First you need to fork the website, click the fork button and create a new fork on Alith. I already created my Alith repo. So in my GitHub, this is my GitHub repository. I have a Alith. Yeah, I already forked the repo, forked from the Alith. You can see this is the total number of commits 1330. I have 1328 commits. The two commit behind. That means the Alith repo have a extra two commits. So you can click the sync fork button and update the branch. Then only the main Alith repo have commits also you have in your repository, forked repository. So I update the branch. Now I have a 1330 commits. Just copy the repo link. You can git clone. First you need to clone the repo. I already cloned, so you can git clone using the repo link. I already cloned in here. So now I create a example, node example, and show how to commit the example in and raise a PR in Alith. Okay, so I need to change the directory Alith and SDKs. SDKs have three language: Node, Python, and Rust. This is the Node. I created an example on Node, so I changed the directory Node. There is the number of examples. I create chatbot .ts example. This is the example code. Actually, I used a API key, model name, base URL, everything. Node have a README file. You can here see well structured README file, so you can see how what are the dependencies installed and how to run everything in this README file. Yeah, this is the run command npx tx node examples slash file name. So this is our file name. So I paste the and run the chatbot.ts. It was running. Yeah, yeah. Ali chatbot is ready. I say hi. Hi, hello. How can I assist today? Okay, the chatbot was running this perfectly, so I need to commit this in Alith repo. Before you commit, you change your model name like API key. Your API key will be in the commit. The GitHub not accept your commit, so it revert it. So change your API key, replace your API key text format anything. I changed all okay. Yeah, model name, API key, base URL, everything. Now I add the GitHub git add. Next I commit the name, commit was node chatbot. Yeah, chatbot created. I created node examples chatbot, so I use the commit name as a node chatbot create. Before I push, I need to pull the commit because they have already commits in the repo, so I need to come before push. I need to pull. Now I push the commits in my branch. So git push origin main. Yeah, it was successfully pushed. uh, you can see the push. I pushed the commit. So move on to the PR pull request. Here is click new pull request, and you can see your commits are there. Yeah, I already actually created a PR taken in a later video. So this is the my PR raised node chatbot example created. The description and yeah, sample images I pasted here. We meet again in another awesome video. Bye.